Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Tutor. In this video, we will discuss how to increase download speed on iPhone. Let's dive in. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Turn on airplane mode and leave it on for 10 seconds. After that, turn airplane mode off. This will refresh your network connection. Next, scroll down and tap on General. Scroll again and select VPN and Device Management. Make sure you are not connected to any VPN. Now, go back to the main settings page and tap Wi-Fi. Tap the I button next to your connected Wi-Fi network. Scroll down and tap on Configure DNS. If it's set to automatic, change it to manual. Delete any existing DNS servers by tapping the red minus button. Now tap Add Server and enter the following: 111111001. After entering both, tap Save in the top right corner. Once all these settings are adjusted, restart your iPhone. This should significantly improve your download speed. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.